The power of Hooponopono. Hooponopono is an ancient Hawaiian healing technique, simple yet deeply transformative. Its power lies in cleansing the subconscious mind, releasing emotional blockages, and restoring inner peace and harmony. At its core, it's based on four powerful phrases: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Each phrase holds high vibrational energy that purifies your thoughts, emotions, and karmic patterns. 1. Emotional healing. It gently dissolves guilt, anger, and pain stored within, helping you let go of past hurts and emotional baggage. 2. Cleansing subconscious blocks. Repetitive patterns or struggles often come from hidden memories. Ho'oponopono clears these at the root level, allowing abundance, love, and peace to flow naturally. 3. Restoring harmony in relationships. By practicing it silently, you shift your vibration, and as your energy heals, so do your relationships. 4. Manifestation power. When your inner world is peaceful and clear, your reality aligns effortlessly with your intentions. 5. Deep self-love. It reconnects you to your divine self, teaching you that healing the world begins with healing yourself. Repeat the four phrases slowly with awareness. Feel their energy move through your heart. Say them to yourself, to others,